Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always promise. Finally, last piece from Elgato multi-mount reach, and this is the last kit for my project of Elgato. Oh, thanks God that's reach after time. As you know guys, I order one piece from French, Italy, Canada, Australia, every piece came from some country. What I'm going to do, when you enter site for Elgato, the website, they have everything out of stock. What is this company doing? They sleeping, or why do you not order stuff from China? Don't tell me that they scared from this bullshit virus and this bullshit stories that this Freemasonry they created to control world. I don't believe this story. There is nothing like this. I don't know. World has become upside down. Nothing's work well. Everything's become. I don't understand. See, now I ordered it from Germany. Okay. So what's the smart? I ordered through DHL. Okay. So what the smart people done? They rub the scotch up of the box. Okay. They didn't put nylon, then they put up nylon scotch. No, they put scotch up. See how it happened to box? It came all like this way. I'm so sad and frustrated. You got me? See Elgato. It was written Elgato, California. I don't know what's there. I move it to see. So the scotch rope screw the box. You got me? I mean DHL. You see that this box is carton like this. Why don't you put nylon? My blaming is number one, not for DHL. I blame Elgato that they create this cheap box. To be honest with you guys, this stuff is not cheap. It's cost like almost 120 euro with delivery. Okay. It's cost me because I ordered through DHL, expensive. You see, this stuff is expensive. Why don't you create box like this? See, that even Scotch will not do. Why box like this or like this? See how they create here beautiful boxes. Look. See. Why do you not create boxes like this? You got me? Why they create boxes like this? Not me. Okay. Also the Elgato Flex Arm kit. Also same box like this. I mean, why don't they make it blue, beautiful? Even DHL, when they see it blue like this and cool box like this, they will feel pity and they will not dare to scotch it like this. But when in DHL they found it's like this, just see, come on, rub it anything. You got me? And honestly, this is sucks thing from Elgato. I mean, why don't you just, it will be so beautiful. Even I can put it as decor, you know. Anyway, let's unbox this and see what's there. We have the catalog here that is showing, of course, not 100% what you have to do. And the second issue about Elgato here that I want to talk about, that why don't they make videos to explain everything well. Number 3, why don't they create books, blue, beautiful, have everything inside? You got me, like mic, shock mount, filter, multi-mount, flex arm kit, all of them they create and make it with, for example, $600, whatever. So if I want to order all kit together, it will be, why I have to run buying from right and left? I order from 7 countries. I collect my Elgato stuff from 7 countries: Australia, America, Poland, Germany, French, Italy. What you want more than this? Anyway, there's nothing inside the box except this small spike. I don't know why. What is this? And the flex arm kit. Nothing inside the box except this. You know, guys, it's like box. I will take it, make it for barbecue, or I don't know what is this. It's not. It's shame. I mean, what's this box? Oh, look, this is the. So you will put it like this, and this is the. Enemy. And it's beautiful. What to tell you? Here. So I will connect my mic. Here, my mic and filter, shock mount, multi-nationality mic. See here, I will connect it here, and then it will be, hello, is it me, Elgato? Okay. So guys, listen to me. This is not for creating for mic. Don't you think this is? You can do it standard for the Elgato light. There is Elgato light kit. You got me? This could be standard for light or for camera. But this is not for mic. If you need for mic, you have to order this Elgato multi-mount flex arm kit. Here, you will connect them here, and then this is to the mic. You got me? So you have to understand this, that this is not only this for honestly, I don't know how to connect it. I don't know how to connect it, to be honest with you. And now I need to see. First you will, I guess I will put out this, and then I will put this here, yeah. And this one, it will be here, yeah, and mic will be here. I wish that, as I say, now, for example, now I figure it how. Let's say that YouTuber, streamer, or some girl she doesn't know, or someone he doesn't have background too much about this, he will not know where to go, what to do. You know, this is what I'm saying. Elgato, they should have the official videos in YouTube or whatever, showing to people how to connect this to this, how, and about mic, about the software for the mic, about not everyone now, until now, to be honest with you, I don't understand all option for the Elgato Stream Desk, all option for Elgato. This video that they have it for this fat guy, he not show anything, he explained for himself. This is his video, you can put it in his ass. This is bullshit. About this video, this is useless. We should have videos how to work on this OBS, how to work not on OBS, how to work on this. I'm now discovering by myself everything. By myself, I discover how to do the filter, how to connect, how to use this copyrights about music. I still use it, but I wanna try. So I mean, why don't you for example, about this stream disk, this one? Why do you not have video to show you how to stream disk from iPad, from phone, from computer? No. They create and they let you guys. This is your stuff is product. You're a new company. Not everyone know how to do. Okay, I not say that some people they will figure for the first time. Some people they will not. I mean, this is the point about Elgato. Why don't you stop do? What I'm blaming? Also, I'm stupid. You know why? Why I'm blaming Elgato? They don't have any products in them. Until now, we enter. They are out of stock. They don't have products. What I blame them for? They don't have even items for sale. So what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, this is listen to me. As material looks nice. He's almost, I don't know, look, it's like 2 meter, or 1 meter and a half, or 1 meter 20, no, 1 meter 20, okay? It's good quality, it's really so good quality. I don't know, what's this? This I will type it. So, it's hold. If I do like this, to control the high, and you will do like this. Okay. Also here the same. You will extend. I can extend it more or no? No. There's only this one. So only this. This is the maximum. And this one is for this. If you wanted to rule, or I don't know what. Anyway, I will see what is this. It's beautiful quality. I don't know. I can't. Great job, Elgato. Really, it's beautiful quality. I guess it's better than even Rode. This one. That there is one company called Rode. They have standard same like this. I guess this is better quality even than Rode. Honestly, Elgato doing great job, but they have these issues that they should fix it. You know, they should show everything, because not every streamer, not every YouTuber, or not everyone know how to work on this stuff. How to collect, how to work on the softwares. For example, you will create for me now tomorrow new kind of Windows, not iOS, no Windows. Let's say Windows, and you will give it to me, and you will not explain me how to work on it, how to do. How should I supposed to know everything? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you understand this, and please tell me what you think about what I'm saying about Elgato. Am I right or wrong? I mean, do I have a point about this or no? I would like to know your comments, what you think about this. And we'll see you again with Hatem for Objection. I have a lot of items to do unboxing. I don't have really time, and I want to play a little bit. So guys, peace and love and money for all of you. And please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. We'll see you again in another video.